Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi's here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Our today's lesson is about letter U, uppercase and lowercase. Expected learning outcomes are: the student is expected to identify uppercase and lowercase letter U, learn the words that start with the sound learn the formation of letter U, uppercase and lowercase. As before, so many times I told you that you have to make flashcards. Here are just only 4 vocabulary words: umbrella, uncle, earn, uniform. Very good. Make different flashcards. Show them to the students. Ask the question: do you have any umbrella at your home? Tell me the color of your umbrella. Okay? After interacting with the students, we will start how to write it, uppercase and lowercase letter U, its formation, its sound, vocabulary words, in good way. Same like that. Start from the dot, come straight down, turn, go up. It will make uppercase letter U, capital U. Start from second line, come down, turn, go up. Come straight down again. It will make small u, capital U and small u. The sound of U is up. The sound of U is up. Uncle, umbrella, earn, uniform. Uncle, umbrella, umbrella, earn. And the other sound of U is U, uniform. U, uniform. Very good. Moral lesson is, today's good thing is understand others, be patient and give others time to explain. Okay, after that they will visualize the story. A little boy wore his uniform. Suddenly heavy rain started. An uncle saw him. He shared his umbrella with the boy. The urn filled with water. Ask different questions about the story and say goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.